boys can eat something without. They just try not to be prejudiced against my boys, but they just are different. That's a good word. They're already dirty from sucking on one another. Sprayed. It's a little bit more of mayhem when you try to feed the boys. Ted and Ned have lost their collars, and Tater did too. It's okay, I know I'm apart. He's gonna get new collars today anyway. Yeah, Arnold. Go, Arnold, go. That's the way to do it. You gotta get in the middle of the pan, Arnold. Yep.